Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Just out here, a place called Alder Lake, and I'm just thought I'd do a little fishing today. It's been a long time. Plus, you know, I felt like my last two outings were kind of just the same thing, so I thought I'd come out and mix it up a little bit. Let's see if I can get anything online. So, I'll show you my view. It's not too bad. Not a bad way to spend the morning. Took about an hour drive, just over an hour drive to get here. So, just going with a bobber. I don't even know what's in this lake, to be honest. Hopefully there's trout. I did bring a stove, some flour, and everything else to do a, if I can do a catch and cook, that would be pretty sweet. So we'll see what happens. Basically, it's still morning. It's, what time is it? Mr. Cell Phone. So it's 8:21. Got a little out here. I got out here a little later than I wanted to, but, yeah. It's alright though. Pretty nice view of Mount Rainier from here. I can't see the screen, how well it's showing up, but, you know, basically looking right into the sun. Sun is basically just right overhead. One of those days I really wish I had a boat. Another camera. A couple of guys just over there fishing. And of course the wind has to be coming this way, pushing my bobber towards me. Because, you know, reasons. Alright, so I moved from my spot because I was hoping to, hang on, cover my camera is coming off. There we go. I was hoping to skirt around the lake to the other side, which is why I'm going down this trail. Hoping to get on a shore over there where I'm out of the wind, so I won't throw them, you know, won't have my bobber coming in and towards shore like every time. At least that was the hope. So I guess I'll just head down this trail and see what I can see. There are some little trails like this going down, but some are pretty steep getting down there, and there's already a guy down here, so let's see. You can probably see him. I might be able to make the climb, but I worry about slipping and falling. So I'm hoping to find. Might just go down this way a little bit, see what's down there. If nothing of it, I'll get in a car, go up the road. Maybe I can find another spot. Let's get my line in the water. I got back to the car and drove up the road. So here's the Alder Dam. I'm sure I can take all the damn pictures I want. I know that's cheesy. I get it. Okay. I've actually been here before. It's been in pre-COVID actually, so it's been a few years. One thing I don't like about this place, lots of people. right down here, a little viewpoint. Yeah, I'm not, that's a broken limb, guaranteed. It's while standing on gravel. Yeah. Yeah. See, I'd like to be over on that shore over there. That would be a nice spot to set up, but it's just getting over there. There's a big fence right there, so I can't just go around the dam. A little shelter spot down there. Where's camping with Steve when you need him? Right there. A little hydroelectric dam. Stealth camping. That'd be pretty funny. I wonder how big that shack is. Anyway. Really nice area though. Really nice. Have to pause and get some pictures. Well, now the great debate begins. What to do now? I saw a Ranger vehicle at the front gate, so the thing is open. So if I leave, I have to pay to get back in. Which, you know, state park. Damn corrupt bureaucrats always taking a nickel every chance they get. Oh, you want to go to the park? That's money. Oh, you want to go fishing? Yeah, that's money. Oh, you want to go do this? Yeah, that's more money. So I could try to. It's a big lake. I don't know how to get to the other side. I didn't see any roads the other side. If they are, they're probably gated off. I guess I could go up the road and see if I can't. I think there's another park up the road. I remember. Maybe I'll check my phone. Check Google Maps, see if there's another park. I could have sworn I saw. Unless they're all connected. But take a look. Well, fortunately, just up the road there was another park, but this is a swimming area at the park here. I don't know if I can get to shore with all that. If I can get close enough to shore to get a line out, and then if I can, I'll be standing in mud and muck. Good times. Good times. I need to seriously look into getting some kind of floating device, even if it's just inflatable. I need to get out there where the fish are. Hell, right across the way. Yeah, that's an island. Yeah, you probably can't camp there unless you stealth it, but I think that's a little island over there too. And this lake goes all the way up and around. It's a huge lake. It's pretty big. Don't know how deep it goes, but it's still nice getting out though.
I got it.
Real nice getting out. Of course, camera's never going to do it justice. Never does. Check out the other side. I try to avoid filming the swimming area because there's a kid swimming, so I don't want the mom charging down here going, "You filming my kid?" Like, no, I'm not. Honest. Well, I'm over on the other side, so about the closest to the water I can get without getting all muddy. So, how about my line? I get stuck in that grass, so yeah, I'm thinking definitely look into getting some kind of flotation device. There was a boat launcher right outside. Even though something inflatable would be fine with me. It's not like I need anything fancy. I mean, anyway, I guess I'll look for a plan B. kind of a neat little cluster of maples all grown together. Pretty cool. Well, kind of a bummer, but you know, it's the first time I came here to fish. Not the first time being here, but first time fishing here. Go look in this, go home and Google some personal rafts or something like that. Just a small little one-man boat. Probably actually need, because of my weight, probably need a two-person boat and just fish from there. Get out where the fish are. So, still better than sitting home on a computer. So, some hat head going. I think I might go shoot a local eats now because it's almost lunch. Well, it will be lunch by the time I get there, so I might do that, make the most of it. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Just doing something a little different today. Try to break up the monotony of my last two trips were, you know, woods, fire, lunch, woods, fire, lunch. My buddy and I are talking about going camping, so that might be something that well. My birthday's coming up. I don't know when this video will be up, but maybe I'll shoot that. So anyway, thanks again, and we'll catch you next one. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. All right, see ya.